Howdy, Kathleen here, the Countertop Diva. I wanted to show you in this video how to set notifications or alerts before an event on your calendar. So sometimes you have default alerts already set up and you might not even remember how that happened, or it might have just happened on its own when you signed up for Google Calendar, but you want to change it. You want something slightly different for a particular event. So for example, if I have this dentist appointment. I'm going to click on that on my calendar. And sure enough, I have these 10-minute alerts happening. I don't even remember if I set that up or if it was built in. And they're really useful. But for this particular appointment, I know myself, I'm going to need a reminder an hour in advance just to make sure I get out the door on time and get on the road. So I'm going to edit this particular event, and I think I'm going to keep the 10-minute alert also because I'm sometimes take a meeting in my car, or, I make a phone call, and I might even be sitting in the parking lot of the dentist, but that will remind me, wrap it up and get inside. But I can add another notification. So I'm going to click add notification. And this one, I'm going to actually say an hour, and I'm just going to make that 1 hour. I'm using the arrows. I could have just typed in a one. I don't know why I didn't do it that way. So now I'm going to have 1 hour before a notification and 10 minutes before. And go ahead and click save. And now if I want to just check on that, oh yeah, it was the dentist appointment. I click on that, and sure enough, I see that I'm going to get an alert an hour before and 10 minutes before. And you might notice those if I use it on my phone. I get a little, if you have your alert set up on your phone to be a chirp, it might be a chirp, it might just be a buzz, it'll be a little pop up, but I will get in a reminder either on my phone, or if I'm at my desktop, I'll have it on my desktop. Now, you can also set these up, again, more than one alert like that if you don't have any to start with. So let's look at like slab delivery. I'm going to go ahead and click on that event. And on this one, notice I actually, again, I said I created this calendar and I never set a default alert. So I want to make sure I give the guys a reminder that they need to be ready for this. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit. And I look again for that notification, the bell icon. And I'm going to click add notification. And once again, like, what's going to be most useful? Do they need it, a few minutes before? And I actually think for this one, maybe I had an event before where they forgot and they all were like, oh, I already scheduled, I got to pick up my kid from school, important things, but they already committed. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to, in fact, maybe 2 days before. Oops, not 20. That's why I'm using the arrow this time. There. I'm going to say 2 days before, but I'm also going to give them another notification. Again, maybe I'll just say 30 minutes before, just again to make sure, hey, get back over to the office in time if you happen to step out. Go ahead and save that. And now on that event, all the guys, not just me, but anyone with whom I shared this calendar are going to get the 2 day before reminder and then the 30 minutes before reminder. In the next video, I will show you how to go and set an alert or default notifications on a whole calendar. Hope that proves useful. Thanks.